Hello, everyone. We are going from part 14 where we learned how to bring the alien in, right? And also a starting point for the alien. We also caused the alien to die by reacting to the bullets from the player. So today we're going to go ahead and uh, set up the alien for new levels. So what we're going to try and do is as the alien goes through its levels, like level 1, level 2. Just like the asteroids, we add more of them. We're going to make the alien a little tougher also, okay? We're going to be resetting him for each new level, and he will increase with difficulty and enter level at random times, like we set it up, okay? So let's go ahead and begin. All right, so let's go ahead and bring up um, our scripts. So we are going to need the alien script because that's what we're going to be messing with today. We'll probably need all of them, but we're going to start off with this one right here. We're going to make some adjustments, and we're going to start by creating a void. Okay, let me see. I'm on the right one. Yep. So we're going to create a void, and we're going to create the void right above enable. Okay. So we're going to make some changes. We're going to make some changes to this. We're going to utilize this to be able to have our alien jump to the next level. Okay, the first thing we need to do is make a public void. And the name of this void is going to be new level. Okay, and inside this new level, we're going to add some arguments in here. Okay, so the first one's going to be a float, and we're going to call this one start time. Start time. And the next one's also going to be a float, and we're going to call this one spawn delay, since we're delaying the spawning, right? And let's go ahead and create our brackets, right? And inside these arguments, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this level start time, throw it in here. Let me see, level start time equals, it's going to equal this start time. Okay, and we'll close that out. The next thing we're going to do is mess with the time before spawning, which is right there. And that's going to equal to our spawn delay. Spawn delay. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is, once we kill it one time, we're going to go ahead and have it wait until the next level comes up. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. All right. So let me see what I think I did something wrong. You know what? I'm going to go at this a different direction. So let's grab this invoke, enable. Okay, let's copy it. Okay, let's bring it down here. And let's replace it with this. Okay, let's replace that. Okay. Let's get rid of this. We don't need this no more since we already got that taken care of. All right, so anytime we get killed, we're going to go ahead and invoke a time delay. You know what? I got to switch them out. This has got to be seconds. And it's going to be after this. All right. So, apologize for that. It's been a while since I have done this. Okay. So I'm just recapping on my notes, and let me see. Okay, so I just thought of a few things. Let's go with the game manager. Okay, so let's go to the game manager. instead of calling it a game object, I'm going to simplify things. So get ready for a few changes. For those of you that are going ×2 speed, good luck to you. So we're going to change this to from game object under the game manager. I'm going to change it to alien script. So I want it to look for the alien script. So I'm going to type it just like I called it. Script, okay. And then I'm going to, okay, alien, okay, so I'm going to come down here. Once it starts a new level, I want it to also call the alien. So let's go here. So it's going to be capital A, alien dot new level, right? So it's going to go look for the new level. And then it's going to go from there to, let me see, I've got to go back to my alien script. Okay, I'm going to get rid of a few things. It's getting a little junky here. So I'm going to go from here. Let me see, what else am I going to get rid of? Alright, so we're not going to need level start time, so we can get rid of that. We're not going to need level start time here, so we can get rid of that. Okay, disable is already down here. You know what? Alright, let me do something else. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this away. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Okay. Control X. I'm going to go back here to new level. Okay. All right. And I'm also going to, let's see, where did I put disabled? Enable. And disable's down here. Okay. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of disable here. And I'm just going to put a function called new level. Or call the function new level, right? And close it out. New level, so I don't need this no more. Okay. Let me see if that went away. Yes, it did. All right. I think we're on track here. So we're going to go right here and put the disabled right here. Okay, so let me see if I got everything. I think we do. I might even increase this to 20, but for right now, we'll leave it at 10. That'll be your preference right here, these three, or these two right here. All right, let me see if I missed anything else. All right, so let's recap. Let me see. Let me make sure everything is saved. So, starting here, clear, good. Okay, so we're going to get a new level. New level takes us to here. Once we get into the new level, we're going to be disabled. Time before spawning, this is going to be the random number. Invoke enable, be time before spawning. So before it comes in, it goes out. If it gets destroyed, it's going to go to the manager and it's going to wait for the new level. Okay. Next thing we want it to do also is to be destroyed in case it runs into the player, right? You know, sometimes a player can kamikaze himself and kill the alien. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started here with that. All right, so we need to go ahead and do a collision void or function. So void, this will be on collision enter, so pay attention. On collision enter 2D. So there it is right there. Okay. Void public void on collision enter 2D, and it's going to have a collision, but I don't like to write out the whole thing, so I'm going to go ahead and just delete the rest, and I like it to be shortened down. And what I'm going to do is write a compare tag. So if col, which is this, and we're going to go off the transform because we don't have a collision detector. So transform dot compare tag. So we're going to compare tag, and this compare tag is going to be the player. Okay, so let's make sure we're using the correct tag for the player. Oh, it's updating now. Great. All right. Player one is a player one tag. So I need to make sure I spell it correctly. Capital P, capital O. So back to my script I go. And in here I'm going to put player one, capital P, capital O. All right. So it's looking for that tag now. So what is it going to do if it hits that tag? Well, it's very easy because we already have that script written down. And that script is located here. So copy these lines, Control C, and place it in here, Control V. All right. So if it comes in contact with the player one, this is what I want you to do with it. Okay. Boom. Too easy. All right. Let me see. Let me make sure everything's good to go. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and test it. Let me save everything. That is saved. That is saved. I don't think I messed with the player script. That is saved. And that is saved. Just in case, right? Hit the button over here. Any updates? No, no, no. Okay, so I'm going to start with level 1. And then in level 2, I should get the alien re-emerging again between the 5 and 10 second time frame. Okay? Again, you can add more time if you want to. That's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and stick with 5 to 10 seconds per level. All right? And let me see. I think I did forget one more thing, but I just want to go ahead and test it out. And I'm going to go ahead and do this first. Clear the level. One thing I am going to do is probably make these, what do you call it? So now we're looking for the alien to come in. 5 to 10 seconds. Oops, got me. All right, so my alien is not coming in. Okay, I got, so, oh, I know what I did wrong. I forgot to go to my game manager and I forgot to put my alien right here. Okay, so where's my alien? There we go. All right, so now, because I saw this, object missing. So yes, the reference point was not there. It is there now. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'm going to check it myself. You can go ahead and do so also. All right, and it came back on the second level, so that is good for me. And it worked. Okay, so that's good. One more thing to work on. All right, so if the alien hits us, I want the alien to go away because, you know, we're going to be getting respawned and we don't want the alien hanging around. So we want the alien to go ahead and go away in case he hits us, right? So let's go back to our, let me see, I want to do this on the spaceship, on the player one. So let's go to player one, and what I want to do is call the alien script, right? It's not going to look, it's not going to be fancy. It's just going to disappear. So we're going to go ahead and do, what did I do last time? Public alien script. We'll call this alien. Okay. Let's go down here. When I get hit, it's where I get hit down here. Lose life, collision, lose life. So if I get hit by the missile, right, I'm going to lose my life. But I also want to go ahead and let's go ahead and call on that alien script. And let's go ahead and call on disable. Right? So I lose a life due to the alien. It's going to call the alien up and say, hey, don't bother me, alien. Stay away or disappear. Later on, you can get creative and make him, you know, add some animation and make him disappear like he's withering away, or make him just shoot straight up. Or I don't know. You guys are very creative, so I'm sure you'll think of something. What else do I need? Do I need anything else? Let me see. Let me look at the alien script and make sure it is public. Yes, you need to make sure it's public. That way it can come in here and use this reference. Right now we have 4 references, which is good. All right, so let's save this, and let's save this. Let's save this. All right, I think we got everything we need right now. All right, let's see. Let me see. What else? What else? What else? What else? All right, let's go hit the play area. Let's go to updating. All right, so you're going to go to player 1. You're going to look for that alien right there, alien. Okay, you're going to grab your alien and bring him in here and drop it in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let myself get hit by the alien shooting at me, and hopefully that'll make the alien disappear if we did it right. All right, so now I'm going to get hit. And it went away. Good. So now I have time to respawn instead of that alien ship following me around trying to get me. Oh, I did. Oh no. Alright, so as the levels increase, we want this guy to go ahead and increase with difficulty also, right? So let's go ahead and let's go into the alien scripts. Having problems with my mouse. Let's add an integer up here. Public int current level. Okay. And as it increases, it's going to go ahead and go up by 1, right? So let's go to our new level. The new level is right here. Oh, again, like I said, I'm having problems with my mouse. I need to change the battery. So new level. It is currently disabled, but we also want it to go up a level. So current level, and we're going to do plus plus. Okay. We also want to increase the speed. All right, so look at our naming, right? We named it speed with a capital S. So let's make sure we say that. So it is speed equals, and it's going to go off current level. So if current level is 1, speed is going to be 1. If current level is 2, speed isn't going to increase. Is going to increase to 2. Okay. Bullet speed, or in our case, let me see what I named it. Alien ship. Yeah, bullet speed, capital B, capital S. Bullet speed. Okay, so bullet speed. Okay, and that is going to equal, so right now we have it set at what? We have bullet speed at 200. Oh, okay, cool. Bullet speed will equal 200, and it's going to be times current level. Okay, so current level is 2. It's going to be times 2, so that bullet is going to be flying. All right, so be careful, especially when you get up to those higher levels. All right, I think I got everything. Let me just check the code. All right, so I think I got it right. Let's test it out. I'm going to let you observe my glorious gaming skills and how I got 1981 asteroid champion of San Antonio. Okay. Okay, so that went away. Let me clear the level. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to be in level 2. Here it comes. Speed should be faster, and it should shoot at us faster. There it is. As you can see, the bullet speed was 400, and the speed of the alien was 2. Okay? Cool. It did its job. All right. All right, what's next? Let me refresh my notes and see what else we need to do. You know what I just thought of? Why not reward you, the player, because it is an increase in level, right? Let's go ahead and give you some points for that. Right now, what are my points for this guy? 100 points. So let's go ahead and go back to our code. Bullet speed. Okay, so let's just add points here. Let's go ahead and do points. Right. Wait, did I capitalize that? Let me double check. Points is capitalized, so let's make sure we capitalize ours. Points. and that's going to equal to, what did I say, 100? And we're going to multiply that times the current level. Easy. Times current level. Okay, so next level it'll be worth 200, 300, 400, and so on and so forth. Okay, close it out. Ooh, close it out. And I think that is good. Okay, well, what did I call it up here? Points with a lowercase p. I'm sorry, folks. I keep forgetting that it automatically capitalizes it in the in the um, in the inspector. So that was my fault. All right, good, 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 good. Okay, I think we're good. All right, hey, great job. Thanks for hanging in there and working alongside with all these changes, but we got through it. Hopefully your game works. If it doesn't, watch it a little slower because I did make a lot of changes, okay? All right, thank you very much. This ends the day 15? Yeah, day 15. All right, saving it, and you guys have a great day.